Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to reset the Toyota 4Runner oil light. With the ignition on but engine off, press the odometer button until trip appears, then hold the button to clear stored trip data. Use the multi-information display buttons to open the maintenance menu, scroll to the oil maintenance item, and follow prompts to reset the indicator light for routine oil changes. Begin by ensuring the key is in the on position without starting the engine. Use the steering wheel controls to open the display menu and navigate to vehicle settings, then find maintenance. Highlight the oil maintenance item, press and hold the confirm button until the reset initiates, and check that the oil inspection or change reminder clears from the screen before turning the vehicle off. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker for hands-free steps while you work on your 4Runner. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides and tips. I've put the Echo Dot link and other deals in the description for easy access and more accessories you might need. Now let's get back to the video. If the oil light does not reset, try the procedure again and allow the engine to run for a minute to ensure systems register the change. Inspect for other maintenance messages that could prevent a reset, and clear those first if present. Confirm oil level and quality, and address any pending service codes with a scan tool or dealer visit to clear hard fault conditions before attempting another reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.